In this example, we will use MicroStation's MCP Server to review our design. First, we will validate the design. MCP allows Anthropic's Claude to securely see, read, and interact with MicroStation's live viewport context, active tools, and design data in real time. Once initial validation is complete, we will enter a new prompt focused on computation. Using the data extracted from the last prompt, it will complete an even more intricate analysis. After this analysis is complete, we can review the plain text summary for valuable findings. Then we will submit one more prompt for a final comparison report. This will provide us with an executive summary, a detailed comparison table, and much more. In infrastructure modeling, design review is paramount to a successful project, but often time-consuming. When this is complete, we can look over the executive summary and look at the comparison table in full screen. Here we can verify the accuracy of our table to ensure that it aligns with the model itself. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to the MicroStation YouTube channel to keep up with news and demos.